Hello Bliss Beauties and Babes, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing my Christmas coffee bar with you. Whether you're sharing a cup with a loved one or enjoying a peaceful afternoon pick-me-up, this coffee bar inspiration will brighten your day, make you smile, and take a moment to appreciate the little things in life. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this, and let's get started. This year, I wanted my coffee bar to be simple and festive. I started off with things that I already had, like the snowman cup set. I also kept out my 4 espresso cups. I really enjoy these. They match with everything, they're very inexpensive, and I found them at Walmart. From the Dollar Tree, I picked up 4 cups. 2 are these really big white snowman cups, and then 2 travel cups that say "But First Coffee." My husband loves taking those to work, and they are dishwasher safe. I also have some sweetener, candy canes, and hot cocoa packets. So when I set up my coffee bar, I really tried to keep it as functional as possible. So here's a quick look at how I put it all together. I wanted everything to be easily accessible, not look too cluttered, and still have everything match and look really cute. So here's a look at how my tray turned out. I really like that you can see the little snowmen peeking through in the back. I like that there's different sized cups, as well as travel mugs for my husband. I love my little gingerbread men in the back, and as well the yummy candy canes and hot cocoa packets. Next, for my coffee bar, I wanted to fill up my snowman with our favorite cookies, and those are Oreos. These are now Wesley's favorite cookies. He loves to open them up, eat the middle, and then he eats the cookie. They're perfect for a yummy little treat when you're having your coffee. The next thing I wanted to show you for my coffee bar that I made is a DIY banner. I found all of this at the Dollar Tree minus my coffee cups that I DIY on my own. This is a really cute, inexpensive way to add decoration to your coffee bar. I also wanted to add the coffee ornaments that I make to this banner. This is honestly a really simple DIY. I just mapped out how I wanted everything to be laid out on the banner, and I used holiday clothespins to pin everything up on the banner. I also added mine, my husband's, and my son's pictures to the little photo frames. If you want to see how the photo frames came out, then check out my Instagram. I'll leave a link to that down below. This is one of my favorite parts of the coffee bar. I think it came out so cute, and it was so easy. So here's a look at what the entire coffee bar looks like together. I think it's very functional, it's very festive, and it makes me excited to make my coffee every day. And for the last part of this video, I wanted to share a quiet and peaceful cup of coffee with you so you can see how enjoyable it is for me.